Welcome to the Veritas Operations Manager how-to video on adding hosts to the management server using the agentless configuration. To add a host using the agentless configuration, you need to first install the Control Host add-on on a managed host. You can also install the Control Host add-on on Management Server. However, it is not recommended as it puts an extra load on Management Server. You can download the Control Host add-on from the Symantec Operations Readiness Tools website. A Linux or Solaris control host can only discover Unix or Linux agentless hosts using SSH. A Windows control host can discover Windows agentless hosts using WMI, or Unix or Linux agentless hosts using SSH. Ensure that you install one or more control hosts on the appropriate platform depending on the operating system of the remote hosts you want to discover agentlessly. You can add multiple hosts to Management Server by entering the fully qualified host name, the username, and the password for each host. Ensure that the port 5634 is open for bidirectional communication between the control host and Management Server before adding the host. You can also upload a comma-separated values CSV file that contains the details of the hosts that have the same platform, either Unix or Windows. The first line in the CSV file must appear exactly as shown. You can replace subsequent lines with the fully qualified host name, username, and password as shown in the example. You can use the CSV file and add the individual hosts simultaneously. On the home page of the Management Server console, click Settings, and then click Add Hosts. Select Agentless from the drop-down list. Select the discovery mode, SSH or WMI, depending on the platform and the control host. Enter the fully qualified host name or the IP address that you can use to reach the managed host from Management Server. Enter the username and password of a user with administrator rights to access the hosts. Click Add Entry to add another host. Click Advanced to specify the type and location of the privilege control software to use on the agentless hosts. To add multiple hosts, you can use the Browse and Import Selected File buttons to upload a CSV file that contains information on the hosts. Click Finish to add the hosts. Verify that the host has been added to the domain. This concludes the Veritas Operations Manager how-to video on adding a host to the Management Server domain using the agentless configuration.